The open ocean has always been seen as a place of freedom. No borders, no roads, just endless water stretching to the horizon. For centuries, ships believed they could move quietly across these waters, unnoticed and unchallenged. But in today's world, that belief is no longer true, because modern oceans are watched every second. This story begins with a Russian oil tanker moving through international waters. On the surface, nothing seemed unusual. The ship was massive, slow, and heavily loaded with crude oil. Its route matched dozens of other commercial tankers operating in the same region. Weather conditions were stable. No distress calls, no visible threats. Just another vessel crossing the sea. Until one small decision changed everything. At a certain point during the journey, the tanker adjusted its course. The change was subtle, not enough to alert nearby commercial ships, but enough to trigger attention elsewhere. Moments later, something even more suspicious happened. The tanker's tracking system went silent. Its AIS, the automatic identification system, was switched off. At sea, this is a serious move. AIS exists so ships can identify themselves, avoid collisions, and remain visible to maritime authorities. When a vessel of this size turns it off, it raises immediate questions. Why disappear? What is being hidden? And who is watching? What the crew did not realize was that they were never invisible to begin with. High above the Earth, military satellites detected the change instantly. Algorithms flagged the tanker's sudden silence. Radar systems continued tracking its movement without interruption. To the crew, it may have felt like freedom. To the U.S. Navy, it looked like a test. In modern naval operations, turning off tracking systems doesn't remove a ship from sight. It simply changes how it is watched. The tanker continued moving, maintaining speed and direction. No radio calls, no signals. But beneath the calm surface of the ocean, a silent response was already unfolding. A nearby U.S. Navy task group received the alert. Analysts reviewed the tanker's route, ownership, and cargo history. Every detail was examined. This wasn't about panic. It wasn't about confrontation. It was about control. Within a short time, a U.S. Navy destroyer adjusted its course. Far away, barely visible at first, a gray silhouette appeared on the horizon. The tanker's crew noticed it soon after. A warship. No sirens. No aggressive movements. Just a steady presence closing the distance. This is how modern naval power works. Not loud, not chaotic, just precise. The destroyer did not block the tanker's path. It did not issue threats. It simply matched speed and position, a message without words. You are being watched. You were never alone. Inside the tanker, the reality became clear. Running silent had failed. The tracking system came back online. The tanker slowed slightly, returning to its original course. Radio silence ended. Normal operations resumed. No shots were fired. No headlines were made at that moment. But the encounter was far from meaningless. Because this was never about stopping the ship. It was about showing capability. The ability to detect. The ability to track. The ability to respond instantly. In today's geopolitical landscape, oil tankers are not just commercial vessels. They are moving pieces in a much larger game. Energy equals influence. Routes equal power. And visibility equals control. The U.S. Navy didn't need to board the ship. It didn't need to force compliance. The presence alone was enough. After a period of shadowing, the destroyer slowly changed course. The tanker continued its journey. Visible, compliant, and fully aware. To the outside world, nothing dramatic happened. But to those involved, the message was unforgettable. The ocean may look empty, but it is never unwatched. Satellites, radar, naval patrols, they are always there. And for any ship that believes it can disappear at sea, this moment proves otherwise.